This is one of the atrocious act of the state government. What Mr. Udayanithi did. Yesterday, the DMK party arranged for a statewide agitation because the ruling TVK government has given up and not working for the rights of the farmers, for the rights of the people of Tamil Nadu. They are not even enforcing the orders of the Supreme Court, namely seeking for the release of 7,000 cusics of water from the Karnataka state. And since Mr. Udayanithi pointed out that Mr. Vijay, the TVK leader, is always thinking about suppressing the voices of the dissent, and that is the reason he is not even thinking about the rights of the people. Now police have registered FIR against Mr. Udayanithi Stalin. They have come yesterday night itself, and today when we had mentioned before the High Court, and the learned judge has asked the public prosecutor that you should not do any arrest. Despite that, the police have defied the orders of the High Court and they have arrested Mr. Udayanithi. We have raised this issue in the Parliament also to say that the democratic voices is being scuttled by the ruling TVK government, and the Kaveri water, which is an order of the Supreme Court. When Mr. Udayanithi is asking to implement the orders of the Supreme Court, the ruling TVK party wants to suppress this voice and do the indiscriminate arrest of our leader of opposition as well as the other DMK cadres.
So TVK later says that this organ is disgusting.
The statement they say was being made about Krisha, and perhaps that
this is all media hype. I would sorry to say, this is a media hype. Anyone who has heard his speech, anyone who has been there physically present, they will know that no such speech was made. In fact, only to sidetrack the issue of farmers and the rights of the people, the government itself has planted this news and the media people has fallen to prey. Only few media people have raised up this issue because they have fallen to the prey of the government's, these types of planting news. And there is no truth in such allegations. It's a false and fabricated news about Mr. Udayanithi Stalin. Anyone who is present there, they know that no such speech was made, and that is why even before the court could examine this issue, they have rushed to arrest him. Tomorrow the session is going to start in the Tamil Nadu State Assembly, and only to scuttle the voice of Mr. Udayanithi Stalin, to sidetrack the real problems of the state of Tamil Nadu. Mr. Vijay, the Chief Minister and the President of TVK has indulged in this
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.